Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at the Real Bed from a company called Charles P. Rogers. This company has been around since 1855. They started in the US and they still make beds to this day. They have a great long history and they're known for quality and innovation and making their own mattresses in their own factory. The Real Bed is a mattress that starts at under $1,000 and really gives you a lot of bang for your buck. So let's take a look. When you order your Real Bed, it's going to arrive to your house in about 5 business days. It comes in a box and it's pretty heavy. This mattress is made with steel and latex, so both very heavy materials, very good quality materials as well. Getting out of the box is pretty easy, although you may need some help getting it onto the bed itself. This mattress is also wrapped really tight, so when I cut it open, it really just sprang to life right out of the packaging. And just easy then, once it's out of that packaging, you can move it around with the handles on each side, and it's ready to sleep on right away. I was really impressed how it looked right out of the box. There's no wrinkles, there's really no off-gassing since it's all natural materials, and you're good to go. This is a heavy mattress, and I usually equate heaviness with quality simply because it costs a lot more money for all those materials, and this mattress didn't disappoint. In fact, it really harkens back to the Charles P. Rogers tradition of using materials that they know work together. This company has over 150 years experience making quality mattresses, and I was really impressed with the materials they used. When you open the mattress, you'll find that it is a hand-tufted mattress. So this is an old tradition where they take tufting needles, they drive that yarn through the fabric in lieu of glue, so you don't have all these noxious chemicals off-gassing. It's just simply yarn holding all that material together. You'll also see that it's an organic cotton cover, a very simple but breathable and elegant material. Underneath that, you'll find a layer of eucalyptus-based rayon and natural wool. This serves as the fire barrier. It also provides good temperature regulation throughout the mattress. Underneath that, you'll find a 3-inch layer of latex. I really like latex for a number of reasons. The first being it's a very durable material, so you're going to get a much longer lifespan out of latex than you would with foam. It's also extremely resilient. So by that I mean when you push down on it, it's just going to bounce right back into shape, so it makes it easy to move around on. Third, it's a very breathable material. When they pour latex into the mold and take it out, it leaves behind tiny holes, sort of like Swiss cheese, and that allows more airflow and breathability throughout the mattress. In the middle of the mattress, you're going to find the Power Core spring system. This is a proprietary spring system that only Charles P. Rogers has. All of this rests on a 1-inch layer of latex. This mattress is made in the same factory that they've been using for over 150 years in New Jersey. And this is all quality material throughout with great craftsmanship. With this mattress, you're not going to have to worry about sleeping hot or any foams trapping heat because there isn't any foam. They use latex and springs and wool. All of those are natural materials that are going to all add an element of breathability to this mattress. In terms of motion transfer, it is a mattress with springs and latex, so it's bouncy, which is a good thing if you need to change positions at night or you just like a mattress with some good bounce to it. That said, the coil system is excellent, and you'll find that you're really not going to notice much motion transfer despite being able to bounce around on this. Overall, it does have a very traditional feel, and that's something I would expect with a company like Charles P. Rogers, but it is sort of that next level traditional feel in that you're really going to appreciate all the components inside this mattress. So we talked about the great construction, the pedigree of the company. It's a great story. So how much does all this cost? Well, you'll be surprised to learn it's only $950 for a queen size. On top of that, you get a 100-night trial, which is pretty standard, but long enough to see if you like it. A great 25-year warranty. And altogether, when you add all that up, you just get a phenomenal value. In fact, a mattress with this construction typically retails for twice this amount, and that's considered a bargain. So at $950 for a queen size mattress, you'd be really hard pressed to find a better value on the market. In fact, I really haven't found a better mattress with this type of construction. They use all natural materials, It's well built from top to bottom, and I'm just really excited to find out what else they have to offer. They have a lot more mattresses in their lineup, so if this one's not right for you, again, it's a free return, and you can see really what else they have to offer. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com for the latest discount codes and the full review.